Hi guys! Welcome to day 8 of 30 Days of Birds. 30 Days of Birds is a series that I'm attempting to do where I paint a bird and upload a time-lapse video 30 days in a row. Before I get started, I just want to remind everyone that I have a Patreon account. This means that for a few dollars each month you can unlock some super cool rewards like longer instructional videos on how to paint, art prints, special sales, and more. Check out the link in the description of this video. I don't think I've ever painted a woodpecker before. It's always good to try something new. Delving a bit deeper into the fantasy realm, this little guy is holding on to some neat little glowing treasure. Colored light sources are something that I used to use a lot in my work in the past, but haven't as much lately. That needs to change. Like I mentioned in a previous episode of 30 Days of Birds, a strong light source, and therefore dramatic lighting and shadows, is a great way to add some drama to your paintings, especially if the light source is brightly colored. It's otherworldly, and it can add a little touch of something fantasy to an otherwise realistic piece. Thank you guys so much for joining me on day 8 of this 30 Days of Birds series. I'm having a blast painting all of these feathered beasts, but I would love to hear some suggestions that you guys have. Want to see a particular bird painted? Leave a comment down below.